Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Manhattan touch steps. Knowing how to do a Manhattan already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do a half Manhattan touch steps would be really helpful. Assuming they're in your repertoire, you're going to be ready for one of these. If you need to find those to go back and have a look at them, I'll put links in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to get to them. So jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Obviously, you could have gone through the backwards and forwards touch step sequence another time or even more, but we were just kind of keeping it short. So it starts off man's left, lady's right. Starts exactly like the half Manhattan touch steps. So we go back, we come in, we go through, we do a touch and a step back. Now instead of going back forwards, what we're going to do now, guys right, ladies left, we're going to do a touch out to the right and a step back. Then we do the whole thing in reverse, touch out to the guys right, step forward, touch out to the guys left, step forward, and the guys are going to get right out of the way as we bring the lady forwards into a prep. And then it's just finish the first move off with a turn and a return. We do the same from the other side and give you the numbers. So it goes back 1, in 2, twist and step forward 3, touch 4, step back 5, touch 6, step back 7, touch 8, step forwards 1, touch 2, step forwards 3, get out of the way and prep 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7 and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Manhattan touch steps. We go back, in, forward, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, prep, turn, face, return and back. And that's that. Hope you enjoy that. Hope it works well for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move in the channel. Thank you for anyone who does that. Subscribing promotes the channel even more. Big thumbs up to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notifications, providing you've got them turned on in your settings, you'll get told every time a new video comes out so you don't miss anything. That's it. Music recommendation on the end, something nice for you to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.